peeps. Walking with babe. It feels like it's gonna rain, so my umbrella tayo. Walking. Makulimlim, pero tayong happy. So happy. Sagasa lang. We enjoy the beautiful. The weather is really good. Just bang. Okay. Watch out with the car, please. We're gonna go in different direction. Magpaiba tayo. Tapos liko tayo sa Twin Water. You leader. It's in the short Twin Water. So that way. Come back. Come on, baby. So that's been a new house there. So if you notice, there's no kangaroo this morning because it's too early. Not too early because they're hiding, or maybe hiding somewhere. Why? There's a big trees. It's me. That's two-story house just built. You found the love for me, darling. I forgot my headset sana ako. Waiting for you. Let's see. With my bike.